Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm here today next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after the correction or retracement yesterday, okay, gold is trying to recover again. Gold is trying to continue the overall upside. But at this moment, okay, we can see that there is not much volume in the market. And if we go to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes, we can see the market is trading in a narrow range. And what is the reason? The reason is the NFP. Today is the first Friday of this month. As a result, okay, we are going to witness some action. NFP day. But one thing that we need to focus here is that, okay, already the market has moved considerably, okay, this week. And whenever market moves before a major event, okay, then there is a high possibility that, okay, either we will not see any good moves, okay, at the time of news, or there's a high chance the market move in the opposite direction. Why? Because the market or trading is a zero-sum game. And it's a bitter reality that market manipulation is at the peak, okay, during the news. So if the news is already out, okay, the numbers are already out inside, okay, then obviously the market makers will book their profits, okay. But okay, now let's look at the economic calendar here. Okay, you need to focus on two things here. The first is the employment number. The last NFP was surprising, rather shocking, because the numbers came around 73,000. And this time, okay, the expected number is 75. It's a very low number, so I feel that there is a high chance, almost 70% chance that market will meet the expectations. If numbers come around 80,000, 85,000, then okay, we just may see some spikes in the market. Okay, if the numbers come above 100k, then you can expect gold will be down because dollar will be up. Okay, we need a difference, good difference. So if numbers come around 100k, 110k, 120k, then obviously dollar should jump and we may see gold going down. Okay, but if numbers come around 70, 80, there's a high chance the market may not move much, and already the market has moved considerably before the NFP, because usually we don't see much action before a major event like NFP. And in case, okay, in case numbers comes below 70 or 65, okay, then we have a chance that market may again show some spikes. If numbers come below 50k, chances are very rare the numbers will come below 50k, then you may see gold flying again and dollar will drop. So let's wait and watch. And if you're a beginner, new trader, then obviously it's better for you to just observe the market to gain some experience, because retail traders mostly lose money during the news. And if we look at the unemployment numbers, okay, then you can see 4.2 and 4.3. It was 4.2 last time and expected is 4.3. If numbers if it meets the expectation 4.3, then again some spikes, okay. But if it gives a surprise, okay, then you may see some action. So let's wait and watch. And as market is running in a very narrow range, the trading opportunities are very less, as I have already updated in the Telegram community also, my dear friends, that market is running in a narrow $20 range. So before the NFP, you can expect the market to take support around 38.40 area. If it drops, okay, we can look for a buy position before NFP. After NFP, okay, we can look for a sell below 35. If you see that market is dropping, dollar is flying, okay, you can look for a sell below 35. But before NFP, chances of market coming to 35 is less, and we can look for a support around 40 area. How much you can expect? In this situation, 40 to 50 pips is also huge, decent enough. Okay. On the other hand, we have a resistance around 64 area. Okay. But before NFP, you can expect 63, 65 area to be as resistance. If you see market is showing rejection, it's worth taking a sell position for 40 to 50 pips. Do not expect much. Volume is very low, pretty low here. After NFP, we can look for a buy above 65 area. Again, I'm repeating, market is trading in a very narrow range, and usually before a major event like NFP, okay, this is quite normal. So we can expect the low volume market to continue during the European session as well. If it happens, then we can look for some sort of a low buying around 35 or 40 area and look for a sell around 65, 64 area. And if market drops after NFP, we can look for a sell below 35, this particular low here. Similarly, we can look for a buy above 64 area or 65 area by if market flies after NFP. Okay, but as of now, trading opportunities are less, so do not be greedy. Okay, just respect the market and respect the market condition and take your trades accordingly. Do not forget, okay, market, okay, you cannot force the market. So be careful. And as I already said, okay, highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. And the numbers are going to play a major role. The problem with this particular NFP is that already the market has moved, and whenever market moves before a major event, okay, we usually see some abnormal moves at the time of news. So be careful. Okay, maybe the market makers will just book their profit, or we may just see some spikes also. Okay, let's look at the numbers. If it is big enough, okay, big difference, then we may see some direction. Otherwise, we may just see some traps in the market. And already we can see the market is facing little resistance around this particular high here. Okay, anyways, be careful, and if you are still not a part of the free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Okay, feel free to follow me on Instagram and on Telegram. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.